Video number 5, LinkedIn Groups. LinkedIn Groups are one of the most powerful tools for professionals on LinkedIn. A single LinkedIn group can help you build an entire business, market various products and services, sell paid events, and become an industry leader in your chosen niche. To create a LinkedIn group, go to www.linkedin.com/grp and click on Create a Group. LinkedIn will require you to fill in the basic details, including adding a logo, group name, group type, group summary, description, website, group owner email, and access details. Adding a logo. The logo you choose to upload will appear in the groups directory, as well as on the groups pages. LinkedIn allows you to upload logos in the PNG, GIF, and JPEG formats. Also, the maximum size of the logo should not exceed 100 kilobytes. If your logo does not meet these requirements, it may be automatically resized. However, you can always use various tools available online to modify the size and type of image before uploading. To upload and save the image, you must check the I acknowledge and agree that the logo image I am uploading does not infringe upon any third-party copyrights, trademarks, or other proprietary rights or otherwise violate the user agreement. Group name. Your group name is an important aspect that can help you connect with the right audience. When creating a group name, consider the types of keywords that are likely to be searched for. More importantly, your group's name should be clear and include possible keywords that will portray the purpose of the group. For instance, if you are running a cake decorating business, you could use a group name such as Cake Decorating Made Easy. Group type. You can choose the type of group you wish to create from the drop-down menu. Your group can be categorized into alumni group, corporate group, conference group, networking group, nonprofit group, professional group, or other. You can choose this option if your group does not fit into any of the above groups. This option lets you provide a group type of your preferred choice. Summary. Add a brief description about your group and its purpose. Remember that this information will appear in the groups directory and should be relevant to what you wish to achieve with the group. Professionals can decide whether to join your group by reading through the summary. Make it short and straight to the point. Description. Your LinkedIn group description, just like the group name, shows up in the LinkedIn group searches and is indexed by Google. When writing your LinkedIn group description, use words that will encourage members who are interested in the products or services you offer to click through and learn more about the benefits of joining your group. The group description is an important part of your group profile and can make you stand out from your competitors in the group search results. People who search for your group on LinkedIn or on Google Search will be able to see the first 140 characters of your group description. Ensure you make your audience feel special with the description you provide for your group. Website. If you have a website, add it to this section. Group members can see your website and can click on it anytime to check for information or product and service offers. Group owner email. Your email address connected to your LinkedIn account will show up in this section. You don't have to change it since it connects your group to your profile. Access. In this section, you can decide whether members can auto-join or request to join. If you select auto-join, any LinkedIn member may join the group without your approval. You can also choose between the following settings in the auto-join option. Display your LinkedIn group in the groups directory. Allow group members to display the group logo on their profiles. This option also allows group members to send their connections a network update that you have created a group they can join. Allow group members to invite others to join. In case you choose the Request to Join option, users who request to join the group must be approved by the manager. The same options that apply to the auto-join section can also be applied here. Language. Choose the language you wish to use in your group. Location. Choose the location in which you wish to target with your LinkedIn group. If you wish to target a single location, check the This group is based in a single geographic location. Add a country selection in the drop-down list, as well as a postal code that will make your location precise. If your location is not based in a single location, leave the option blank and tick the agreement checkbox to confirm that you have read and accept the terms of service. Once you fill out every detail required and accept the terms of service, you can click on the Create an Open Group. Create a members-only group, or cancel if you don't want to proceed with setting up the LinkedIn group. You can learn more about open groups by clicking on the Learn About Open Groups. Groups Dashboard. Once you create your group, you can check out your new Groups dashboard that consists of the discussions, promotions, jobs, about page, search, and manage sections. Through these sections, you can start discussions, promotions, and job discussions. You can also view the members in your group by clicking on the Members section. The Manage Group section allows you to regulate various activities in the group. Some of the management activities include requests to join, sending announcements, pre-approving people, and managing general group settings. You can also create group rules and add subgroups within the group. Subgroups provide more focused areas of discussion and news sharing. Group managers can create up to 20 subgroups. You can also promote some group members to managerial positions through the Change Owner section. Lastly, you can decide to delete the group by clicking the Delete Group section.